Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So it's an exciting day today, or an exciting video for you guys maybe. So anyway, before I actually go into that, I just want to say I'm using the new microphone today as well, and I also have up to the resolution for my recording. So hopefully we have better sound and also better video. Oh, it looks like there's a storm coming. Pretty grey over there. I'm still messing around with these microphones a little bit, testing a bit more, but I made a video on it, testing each one, so I'm using the Rode right now as well. And yeah, like I said, we have better resolution, so hopefully the picture is looking pretty good. And yeah, so anyway, here is the subject for today. It is this Coyote mower that I picked up for next to nothing at a Ritchie Brothers auction. Oh yeah, I don't know if you can see, but I got the free hat too. Yeah, so they advertised it as a 72-inch Coyote mower, 3-blade. I'm gonna see if this old Jubilee tractor can power it. It's gonna be interesting. So yeah, I got some decently long grass over here. Yeah, hopefully this tractor is gonna be able to run this mower. So I haven't actually measured it, but I think that looks bigger than 72 inches. It's wider than the back of the tractor, and if I remember, I think that is close to 70 inches. I don't know, I can't remember. I'd have to get a tape measure anyway just to correct myself, but yeah, I guess I'm just going to give it a shot. Like I said, I paid next to nothing for this mower, so if it can't handle it, if it's too big for the tractor, I'm just going to sell it on and make some money, because right now these finishing mowers are going for crazy money. So yeah, anyway, let's see how it goes. that is doing an amazing job actually. The grass has not been mowed for like, what was that, over a week now? Huh, that is good. And the blades are really dull. I can tell you that. So yeah, wow. That is not bad. Like, it's a couple inches there. What, like 3 inches of growth on there? That's crazy. So I just want to show you as well, just the setup here on the linkage. So yeah, because this is a modern mower, I guess. I don't know why the setup is like this. Like these hook, is this like supposed to be for a quick hitch? I don't know, but I just put a bolt through here. That's how I'm gonna use it for now. I don't know if I should get one of those old style quick hitch for these. I don't know, but I mean, it's doing a pretty good job, except it's wearing this bolt out pretty fast. Same on this side there. So I'm just using the stay chains for this now. For now, just see how it goes. It's not moving around too much, and I think you just have the top link loose. I'm not sure at all, because the other finishing mower that I had a solid piece. It didn't have this loose. I don't know. Just kept it level on the old one. Also, the PTO shaft cover is kind of destroyed, so I'm gonna have to kind of fix that so I'm not having it spinning. Yeah, the Jubilee is barely even, like, I'm not even at full power. I'm running about at that 536 mark on the PTO, so it's about 1500 RPMs, and she's not even struggling. Temperature gauge doesn't work. Chinese crappy one that always stays at yellow, so I need to get a new temperature gauge. But yeah, that is really, really nice. Now I can mow my lawn with my own tractor. that's gonna be it for this video. Now I know that she can run the big mower. That's a pretty big mower. Now I can mow my own lawn without borrowing other people's mowers. So yeah, anyway, that's gonna be it for this video. I'm sure you guys will see more of this mower and stuff. I actually have to go and mow my neighbor's lawn. The back, he needs the back area mowing up pretty good, so he said it's pretty long, so we'll see what it can do. But that'll be, I don't know if that's going to be before or after this. It depends how the editing goes, but you guys will see it when you see it. Anyway, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.